again, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail, yes, I'm going to share with you my DIY cream blush. Because I don't have a cream base blush on. If you don't have powder blush on, you can get your favorite lipstick and you want to turn it into your cream base blush. You can also do it because most of the girls nowadays get their favorite lipstick and try to rub it in their cheeks and then spread it out. You'll get that sun-kissed rosy cheeks. So it's totally fine. So from this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own cream blush. This is my cream blush. As you can see, I almost finished it and I forgot to make a video when I made this one. I'll do a close-up. Looks great. For you not to be confused, I use my favorite blush on, which is from the e.l.f. brand. It's a drugstore product, so which is totally cheap and for you guys can afford it. So let's proceed with the tutorial. Just need an empty container. I got this empty container, a eyeshadow container. I believe you can purchase this kind of empty containers in Daiso or any cosmetic store. I recycle my containers for my palette, my night creams, and I'm trying to scrape as many amount as I can. And later on, I'm going to get a small amount of Nivea cream. Just mix it all together until you reach the consistency of a paste. You can add more Nivea cream or the blush on until you're satisfied with the cream base. So this DIY, you don't need to freeze it or anything. It will set immediately because it's a cream base. So it's very easy, it's very cheap. So this is the close-up of the cream blush that I made. There. By the way, if you don't like that heavy texture of Nivea, you can switch to your favorite moisturizer, but I don't guess sunscreen will work because this Nivea Blue Tint has this thick consistency of the cream, so maybe you won't like it. So you can switch it to your favorite moisturizer and that's totally okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit here. In back of my hand, this is how the shades looks like. So this is how I place mine. I smile. And where is the apple of my cheeks, I go spread the product. Oh, this is too much. It's too much, but it's okay because it's cream based. So there. So it depends how pinkish you want to apply it. For me, I like this kind of pinkish. So basically, this is how the blush looks like on my cheeks. It depends on you how thick you want your cream blush to be on. It's totally fine. No judging at all. So there you go, guys. This is my short DIY tutorial for a cream blush. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Alright girls, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!